The extreme weather prompted authorities to issue a travel advisory due to winter weather in Toronto and the GTA on Thursday that made commuting messy and chaotic. Environment Canada says 2 to 5 centimeters of snow is expected to accumulate throughout the morning, significantly impacting roadways, causing slippery and dangerous conditions. Toronto police officers responded to reports of vehicles stuck due to snow on roads in the area of Brookbanks Drive and Underhill Drive on Thursday morning. For areas in the north of the GTA, it is estimated that last Thursday there would be heavy and wet snowfall of around 5 centimeters. Seen in several videos circulating on social media in a number of other areas throughout the city showing vehicles in ditches and other cars skidding on the highway. Environment Canada said other areas may experience sleet and drizzle through Friday. Not only that, a new wave of snow is expected to bring up to 10 centimeters of snow to southern Ontario and the GTA on Friday. Before reaching southern Ontario on Friday afternoon, the system will blanket northwestern Ontario with heavy snowfall, with widespread weather warnings expected to be in effect by then.
Current situation here in beautiful Missouri. Supposed to get up to 6 or 8 inches. Yeah!
Us Canadians, eh? Woke up so happy yesterday. Snow was melting, sun was out. Now look, we wake up to this bullshit.